Hi everybody, welcome to a live with Chaudhry here at Achema. It's day one and I'm delighted to join by Thomas Fricke from IMA Group, who's going to tell me a bit more about IMA Group and also what they're showcasing to visitors this week at Achema. First of all, Thomas, it's lovely to see you. Last time I saw you was CPHI in November.
Yeah. Last week, the first exhibition we met again. And it was nice to meet in person again. And now we are 8 months older.
You certainly are. So my first question is for those people not familiar with IMA Group. Can you just give me a very quick overview of the business first of all?
Let's say here in Achema we are focusing on one part of the IMA Group, which is the pharma part of the business. So we're not talking about tobacco, tea, automation and e-mobility. So here we talk about pharma, and IMA is one of the biggest supplier with the all-in-one pharma strategy. So we are trying to supply to our customers complete lines, complete systems, and this is what we are trying to showcase on the Achema, which is, by the way, a very special Achema because of the timing of this exhibition now in August.
Certainly. Now, obviously you and I did catch up in November last year. As you said, 8 months has passed. So has there been any major developments at IMA since we last spoke?
Yeah, I think we spoke last time already about digital sustainability, where everybody is talking about. But in the meantime, we had also our own open house exhibition where we have shown some new material which has been tested and new solutions which have been developed. And they are now here on the show. So behind me, you can see here all the new material which has been developed and tested, which is also in production at our customers right now, and some of them during the CPHI got an award for ecological packaging, so quite happy since then. And if we walk around, you will see all the other innovation we have done until now.
Fantastic. So would you like to give me a quick tour of the booth?
Yeah, let's do it. So if we turn around and just try not to move too fast with the camera, here you can see just a short preview inside, because this is the new high-speed injector. So it's a robotic system where we are trying to produce as fast as possible for our customers and for patients vaccines.
Brilliant.
So this is just one module of a complete machine, but you can see already the cleanness of the design, and I think 30,600 syringes per hour is something which right now not a lot of people have.
Brilliant.
So this is, let's say, our biggest point on the show. And now we are coming from the highest speed to the lowest speed possible. Just if you can follow me, we are walking through the booth of our Achema solution this year. It's half of the size as we usually have, but so you hear it beeping, so we start the machine. Again, what you have seen have been robotics. And before we were talking about 36,000 syringes per hour. Here we talk about 5 cartons per minute. So can you imagine? This is really a machine for batch size 1 or 10 or 100, where we pack really high valuable products in the safest possible way. But the point is not the production speed. The point is that on a usual cartoning machine, you will have changeover times, including line clearance of 3-4 hours. Here we had the challenge with the customer to go below 10 minutes. And we succeeded. The machine is in production, and we are doing some more. So we had high-speed production, low-speed production. Now we go to R&D. Let's see if we can guide you to the other machine. So now you see also the nice design of this type of machine, award-winning display. And here we talk about an R&D machine, which gives our customer the possibility to have a very fast time to market. So you have the chance of a lot of dosing systems, so there is a high flexibility on this. And yeah, also here again, new materials. When we talk about sustainability before, here it's HMPC capsules, which are not anymore the gelatin based. So that would be nice for all the vegans.
Brilliant. Now, obviously, when you and I caught up at CPHI, we talked about some of the trends. You mentioned obviously sustainability is still a big issue, digitalization is still a big issue. Are there any other trends that you've seen develop over the last few months which you're now addressing?
Yeah, I would say the trends are really controversy because we have on the one hand the high speed, on the other hand, in terms of liquid sterols with the cell and gene therapy, you're going to very new demands in terms of temperature, which you have to consider for the filling and transporting process. You have to go to batch sizes which are not anymore millions, but you talk about a few hundreds or thousand products you have to fill. And the treatment until it goes back to the cryo freezer has to be as fast as possible. So the duration of time inside the machine is very important. So here we developed a new system and we are still in the process of making it industrialized. We have already the first solution. This is one trend. Digital is the other trend. So during Corona, we already talked about remote services. Now we are going more and more remote. Maybe we should forget a little bit about all these Googles because our customers and colleagues are so flexible that sometimes they don't need the Googles. It's enough to use WhatsApp with the video system like we are using now the video. So the trends in digital are more to control better the efficiency of the line, the potential demand of maintenance, the predictive maintenance. And this has a lot to do with artificial intelligence. We have a new counting machine which has a brand new sensor which really checks the integrity of the product which we are counting with a kind of scanning process which looks like Mission Impossible than when they were making the mask for Tom Cruise. We are checking a tablet in the same raster way and we figure out whether it's good or not. So let's say there are a lot of new technologies, but for this you should come to Bologna, and in Bologna we could show it to you and you can touch it. You don't have to.
I look forward to doing that. So Thomas, I really appreciate you taking time. You're very busy, I know you're a very busy man, to give me this interview, this quick tour of the IMA booth. So there you go, viewers. If you're here at Achema, please come and check out the IMA booth. It's in hall 3. I can't remember the stand number off the top of my head. So
you will find us. You will find it. It's always the red one. The red one. When you smell pasta or coffee, we are here.
And I will put the stand number above the video. But Thomas, I thank you very much for giving the overview. Viewers, I hope you found that interesting. Please check out the booth. It's a lot of interest. One final question. If people can't make it to Achema this week, where else can we meet IMA in the future this year in person?
No, in person, for sure. In Bologna, we will go to Chicago. We will be on the CIPM. I don't know, this year in China, it's where Chengdu. I don't know anymore, honestly. It was changed.
Fine, okay, well look, we'll put the links to the website above the video so you can check out the upcoming events as well.
Okay.
Right, so Thomas, thank you very much. Viewers, thank you for watching. Until next time, stay well, stay safe. Bye-bye.
Thank you, Rizwan.